Hello everyone, welcome back to Hello Data channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the ultimate burger from different countries. Get ready for the ultimate fortune, let's dive in! Bun kebab is an iconic street food from Pakistan that resembles a burger made from the mixture of meat and split chicken piece seasoning with distinctly spicy, or sometimes a vegetarian version made from potatoes. The rendang burger is a modern hamburger dish that combines a Western-style bacon bun with the delicious flavor of traditional Indonesian rendang seasoning. Burger are a fusion dish that combines the farcical and tangy flavor of the national Vietnam sandwich. Burger is a traditional Cambodian sandwich made using a burger. The hamburguesa mexicana is a Mexican-style burger variation that blends the classic American burger concept with a traditional Mexican flavors. Your chicken burger is a burger dish filled with chicken cooked using a typical Jamaican spice culture, which has a spicy, sweet, and smoky taste. Is a traditional flatbread made from corn dog of Venezuela. The both sandwich is a distinctive Danish burger, unique for being served with a abundant amount of brown gravy poured over it. The French Bistro burger is a French-style burger that combines a juicy beef patty with classic French culinary ingredients. Kotleta burger are Russian-style minced meat patties that resemble standard hamburger patties. The Guinness beef burger is a beef burger infused with Guinness stout from Ireland. The cheeseburger burger featuring a decided meat patty from Austria. An burger is a burger made with oat milk, which is a known for being rich in protein along Indonesian and North African culinary traditional the fricase is a snack consisting of a small, deep-fried yes dog tuna. Nyamakoma burger is a fusion fashion that combines Kenyan-style grilled meat. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.